A fluid is a substance that can flow or spread. Substances that are in a liquid state and substances that are in a gaseous state are fluids. Particles in liquids tend to be close to each other, where particles in gases tend to spread out and take up all the available space. Fluids, whether liquid or gaseous, tend to take the shape of their container. There are two types of fluids, compressible and incompressible. A fluid is compressible if its volume can be significantly reduced under the effect of a force. In a gas, there is a large distance between the particles. When a force is applied to the gas, the distance between its particles is reduced. This reduces the space occupied by the gas. Since they can be compressed, gases are compressible fluids. Air is an example of a compressible fluid found in the human body. It's a mixture of several gases, including nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. A fluid is incompressible if its volume can't or almost can't be reduced when a force is applied. In a liquid, the particles are relatively close to each other. When a force is applied, the particles in a liquid do not move closer together or move so little that it can't be perceived. It's very difficult to reduce the space occupied by a liquid. Since they can't be compressed significantly, liquids are incompressible fluids. Water, blood, and urine are examples of incompressible fluids found in the human body. It can be demonstrated that air is a compressible fluid and that liquid water is an incompressible fluid. To do this, we need the following materials: 1 universal stand, 1 extension clamp, 1 150 milliliter syringe filled with air and its cap, and 1 150 milliliter syringe filled with water and its cap. First, let's do the demonstration with the air-filled syringe and the following setup. Be careful. It's important to have the cap firmly in place on the syringe. When the plunger of the syringe is pressed down, the volume of the air decreases. However, the air can't get out of the syringe because of the cap. Instead, it is the space between the particles that decrease. We can therefore confirm that air is a compressible fluid. Here, the same procedure is repeated with a water-filled syringe. When the plunger is pressed, the volume of the water does not change. We can confirm that water is an incompressible fluid. To summarize, substances in liquid and gaseous state are fluids. Gases are compressible fluids, and liquids are incompressible fluids.